Hello, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is Joe, and in today's video, I'll be talking about my thoughts on Cardano. Cardano is a cryptocurrency. I do have some money invested in Cardano, but I guess if you were going to purchase Cardano, I would not purchase it based on the fact that it's going to make you a lot of money in a very short span of time. I guess if you wanted to put any amount of money into it, it's because you think it's kind of cool and wanted to check it out. It's risky. I started buying into Cardano when it was initially, I think, $1.25 a coin. And it eventually made its way up to $2, $2.25, $2.50 a coin. And finally, I think I stopped buying it around $2.80 a coin. And like all things that go up, gravity takes a hold and it goes down in price. And I just occasionally buy it when it was going from, I guess, $2.75 to $80 a coin to where it sits at now, about 30 cents a coin, which you can buy a lot of it for not as much money. That's a good thing. But one thing I do like about it is it's kind of this slow, disciplined process. And I remember when smart contracts were rolling out, they actually delayed the release of it due to last minute issues, and people hemmed and hawed about it, and they just ignored it and eventually released it, I think, about 2 months later. So it's kind of like this very slow, disciplined, pragmatic approach to developing this. And from that perspective, I kind of gravitate towards putting some of my money into that as opposed to other kind of cryptocurrencies that are kind of like a flash in the pan. With Cardano, you can stake it for interest. I remember when I did my taxes last year, TurboTax asked me, do you get staking rewards, for example, Cardano? So they kind of specifically called Cardano out on staking. I thought that was kind of cool. And also, I kind of felt like I missed the boat with the Ethereum cryptocurrency mining craze, and I saw like the next train leaving the station was Cardano. Hopped on that. The price has gone down. If I want to run like a staking node, I'm not really as much into that because it looks like how it's set up, you have to kind of do marketing and get people to stake their Cardano on your node. And so I'd have to basically shill or advertise my staking node and hope people point their staking thing at the node. And I'm not really into it, but one good thing about staking is I have control over the wallet, and I'm not physically giving my coins to someone else to hold. I've got the keys, I've got the coins, which is kind of like the way you want things done. I also like listening to Charles on YouTube. I can listen, it's like Eli the Computer Guy. It's like a personality I could like listen to for hours. That's another reason why I like Cardano. You can loan out Cardano, through other kind of tokens, and lend out I haven't tried lending out Cardano itself directly. I've done it through tokens, and they have side projects, and then they have DeFi, distributed finance sites out there, and you can vote for things which it has all this use and utility, but right now if I want to like buy groceries or buy gas, I'm still using my credit card and still using cash to do that. So it hasn't, and for all of cryptocurrency, that for that matter, it hasn't taken over the payment processors. I don't know if it will. I hope one day it will, where I just, pay with something with cryptocurrency directly, and Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, my local bank, or a brokerage that happens to give me a credit card isn't getting a cut. It just goes directly to the network, the people running those nodes. I do have an older video that I did from my previous YouTube channel about Cardano, when I think Cardano was about $2.70 a share. I got to see if I still have that. And if I do, I'll publish it. That would be interesting times to see, like almost at the tip, the pinnacle of the price of the thing. But yeah, those are my thoughts, random thoughts about Cardano. That's it for this video, of course. Thanks for watching.